Hi all, today we will be making rasam. So this is going to be tomato rasam and I'll be making this in a cooker. For this, first of all, we will be taking curry leaves along with the stems. So as you can see, I'm going to add like 3 to 4 springs of curry leaves. To this we will also be adding imli. To this we'll be adding about 1.5 tomatoes. We'll be adding 3 to 4 garlic cloves. On top of it we'll be adding about half onion slice. We'll be adding about one fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder into this. We'll be adding about 0.75 spoon of salt. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoon of rasam powder. You can get rasam powder from the market, or you can follow our channel for the recipe of rasam powder. Then we will be adding about 5 green chilies into this. We'll add water so that we cover this about 400 ml of water. Then we'll be covering the lid. We'll switch on the flame to maximum and we will boil this until first whistle or about 10 minutes at high flame. So after one whistle or 10 minutes are completed, whichever is earlier, I'm going to release the pressure in the cooker. So this one is cooked. Now what you are going to do is you are going to transfer this to another vessel. To this you will be adding the tempering material. So first of all you will be adding like 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil. To this we will be adding about 1 tsp of cumin seed. We'll also be adding 1 tsp of mustard seeds. You can reduce the flame to medium. Then we will be adding about 15 to 20 curry leaves, 4 to 5 red chili flakes, half a teaspoon of jaggery or cane sugar. So we'll wait till the mustard seeds splutter. After we see them then we'll increase the flame to high, and then we'll be adding our rasam juice to this. Now we'll give this a boil once. As you can see, the rasam has boiled once. The dish is ready to be served.
जाना वे जाना वे मोहब्बत करते रहना रे हम मौसम चाहे जैसा भी हमेशा सब्सक्राइब रहना रे जाना वे कमेंट लाइक करते रहना रे हम मौसम चाहे कैसा भी हमेशा सब्सक्राइब रहना रे।